What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna be building a RC airplane out of this swim noodle, this floating device for the pools or whatever you want to use it for at the beach, preferably in pools. But I'm gonna make a RC airplane out of this. I have to build a wing, and I decided to use this 50mm EDF motor right here. I'm gonna be using my 1800 milliamp battery. Definitely gonna need some servo extensions and also ESC extensions that I can use on my ESC or the motor, and a 30 amp ESC I'm going to be using right there. So this is a nice project, a nice experiment. Alright, so this would be a good time if you want to cover your foam board with tape. You can do so on the outside, being that we remove the paper from the inside. So if you want to go ahead and cover your foam board with tape, now is the time to do so before we build the wing. So I'm going to go ahead and cover this in tape on the outside. And sorry, I forgot to tell you guys that I'll be doing the build in time lapse. Now and again I'll come back and explain what I'm doing, but most of the build is going to be in time lapse. All right, so let's go ahead and cover this wing. Alright guys, so now that we have our outer piece of our wing covered, we're gonna start building the wing now. And you're gonna wanna build 2 of these, and it's gonna be a 60-inch wing. So I'm gonna be building 2 of these. So let's get into the wing build and get this thing going. Alright guys, so the first wing is complete. Nice airfoil. Off to the next one. Alright guys, so the wing is done. Also went ahead and did my EDF tube with my extensions. So might be mounting this on top like that or on the fuselage. I haven't decided yet, but now we're gonna work on the fuselage and get this thing going. So I made my vertical stabilizer and my horizontal stabilizer. So I'm gonna attach these now to the fuselage. The vertical stabilizer, horizontal stabilizer is done. All I gotta do right now is install my servos, put my EDF on, my control arms and my push rods and my battery and receiver, and that should be it. So let's get back to the build. Pretty much finish up this Noodle RC plane. You can see I made a cutout right here. This is for my battery, and this is for the ESC. And the full length of the fuselage is 50 inches. My horizontal stabilizer is 19 inches with a control surface of 9 inches. I believe it's 7 inches. Sorry, my horizontal stabilizer, my vertical stabilizer is 19 inches with a control surface of 7 inches, and my vertical stabilizer is 9 inches and 2 inches for control surface. Still have to put in the receiver, but everything is pretty much done. I went ahead and I mounted my EDF right there on top, and the wingspan for this is 6 inches. My control surface is 2 inches. So everything looks good. I won't be able to make this until maybe Saturday or so. Alright guys, so this is the aircraft with the wing mounted. You can see 50-inch fuselage and 60-inch wingspan. I just have to finish putting my electronics in, battery, and the ESC is gonna go up under there. Should be enough wind for cooling, and I'm gonna attach my receiver somewhere under there. So pretty much it's ready. Just have to do those other small installment, and you should be able to take it out to the field later on this week. But it's pretty much done, ready to go. And yeah, the Noodle plane, I'll call this one the Noodle plane. airplane, because this is made out of the swim noodle. So I've used wooden dowel to give the fuselage some strength, so there won't be too much flexing. So we'll see how that goes. But besides that, guys, it's pretty much done and ready to go. If you found any value in this video, please leave me a comment, drop me a like, and I'll catch you in the next Made video. I'll catch you in the Made video. All right, God bless.